My dear grade 6 students, right? So this is the second video of the paper discussion video. Now we are going to discuss Southern Province, right? 2023 Southern Province paper. This is the second video. පළවෙනි වීඩියෝ එකේ අපි කතා කරා මොනවද? First paper එක. මේකේ පැටිව අපි කතා කරන්න යන්නේ second paper එක. This is the second paper. We are going to discuss the second paper, right? Okay, right? If you miss the first part, Lamai, now you can see the link, right? Just click on the link, right? Just click on the video, right? To watch the first part of the video, right? So today I'm going to discuss, in this video, Lamai, I'm going to discuss the part 2, right? I think you can see this one very clearly, right? Complete the table by using 4 suitable numbers for a column for a given numbers, right? Multiples of 3. Multiples of 3 means Lamai, 3 multiplied by 1, 3 multiplied by 2, right? Column for the given number. Multiples of 3 petio. Now we can do that one. Multiples of 3, 3, then 6, 9. Multiples of 3, 12. 12 plus 3, 15. 15 plus 3, 18. So those are the multiples of 3. Prime numbers. What is the meaning of prime numbers? Prime numbers means only 2 factors are there, right? Prime numbers means only 2 factors are there, right? May balanna. Prime numbers means only 2 factors. Only 2 factors are there. Just consider number 3. Number 3 means 1 multiplied by 3. Annalamai, only 2 factors are there. So that means there are only 2 factors. Factors degai pediyutiyenne. So that means 3 is a prime number. But consider 8. 8 equals to 1 multiplied by 8. 2 multiplied by 4. So that means how many factors are there? How many factors are there? 4 factors. How many factors are there? 4 factors. Factors hatalak tin. How many factors are there? 4 factors for the 8. So 4 factors means more than 2 factors. More than 2 factors means that is a composite number. More than 2 factors means that is a composite number, right? 2 factors means, so that is a prime number. Prime number එක කියන්නේ factors දෙකයි. That means Lamai, now we can move to the next one. So what are the prime numbers, Mario? What are the prime numbers? 2 prime, 3 prime, 5 prime, 7 prime, 11 prime, 13 prime, 2, 3, 5, 7, 7, 11, 13, 15, 14, no, 15, no, 16, 17 prime, and 19 prime. Composite numbers. So what are the composite numbers? Means Lamai, numbers that means having more than 2 factors. Factors dekata wada thina numbers. Look at the 4. 1 into 4. 1 into 4. 2 into 2. 3 factors are there. So that means Lamai, 4 is a composite number. 6 is a composite number. 8 is the composite number. 9, 10, 12, right? 14, 15, 16, 18, 20, all numbers are composite numbers, right? Right? So you need to write down only 4 numbers, right? Complete the table by using 4 suitable numbers. You need to write down only 4 numbers. I'm going to complete the table by using all the numbers. You can take only 4 numbers, right? So I'm doing the paper discussion now. So I will do all the possible numbers into the relevant column. Right. This is not the paper discussion. This is not a right. So usually this is not a paper discussion. I'm trying to here to remind all the important facts related to the lesson. Just not just only the paper discussion. Paper discussion composite numbers, right? 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 12, 14, 15, 16, 18, 20. All those numbers are composite numbers. I'm telling that one again. No need to write down all the numbers. I might complete the table by using 4 suitable numbers. Right? You can write down only 4 numbers. That's enough. Harine? Right. Triangular numbers. Triangular numbers means lamai 1 plus 2, 3, 1 plus 2 plus 3, 6. Neither. 6 plus 4, 10. Right? 6 plus 4, 10. Right? 6 plus 4, 10. 10 plus 5, 15. 10 plus 5, 15. Annalamai. So that means 1 is a triangular number, 3, 6, 10, 15. So those are the triangular numbers. Square numbers means lamai 1 multiplied by 1. 1 is a square number. 2 multiplied by 2. 4 is a square number. 3 multiplied by 3. 9 is a square number. 4 multiplied by 4. 16 is a square number, right? 1, 4, 9, 16. All those are the square numbers. Harine? Right. Okay. Now we can quickly move to the next one, right? Hope you are very clear with that one, right? Yes. Now we can quickly. Lamai me. Api then short notebook එක හැදුවා නේද? Just refer the short notebook, right? So you can remind all the things within few minutes using the short notebook, right? බලන්න පැඩියෝ. Adding 2 consecutive triangular numbers gives square numbers. Write the suitable number for the blanks according to the statement. Right? So that means 2 triangular numbers equals to 25. 2 triangular number equals to 25. Right? Let's see. 1, 1 plus 2, 3 nelamai. 1, 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 3, 6. 6 plus 4, 10. 10 plus 5, 15. Yes. 25 means lamai me. 10 and 15. 10 plus 15 equals to 10 plus 15 equals to 25. Yes, that one is correct. So that means 10 plus 15. Right? 10 plus 15. Adding 2 consecutive triangular numbers gives the square number. Write the suitable numbers for the blanks according to the statement. So that means lamai 10. Right? What is the answer? 10 plus 15 equals to 25. Please download the paper. Lamai, just try to complete this one before me. මට කලින් paper එක කරන්න. මේක download කරගන්න. Download කරගෙන මට කලින් පැටියෝ paper එක කරන්න. හරි? So 10 plus 15 equals to 25. Adding 2 consecutive triangular numbers gives a square number, right? So that's all. Now let's quickly move to the second one, Lamai, right? So we can quickly move to the second one. Let's see. Second question. Yes. Lamai, there is a full questions regarding the angular part, right? Angles and the directions. Angles and direction. The figure shows the way. Look at the second one, Pedio. The figure shows the way how a group of scouts starting from A and moving to the camp G. A, B, B, C, C, D, D, E, near video, E, F, F, G. Maralesi hode, niyamai. Right. Let's quickly remind the directions. Mulima matak karagam patio directions tika. Let's quickly remind the direction. Just try to complete this one before me. Then unat karana lamai. Then unat patio me video ka pause karala. Wata karana puluang. Then unat karana puluang. Hari. Right. Menna. Now I'm going to remind all the points. Look at this one lamai. Just consider the directions. Just consider the directions patio. North, east, south, west, right? What is this one? Northeast, southeast, southwest, northwest, northeast, southwest, northeast, southeast, southwest, northwest. Okay there? Right. Let's quickly move to the question. Takdalam question nigga. A to B, A to B, A to B. Better to mark what are the main direction patio. Then you can easily do that one. Better to mark what are the main directions, right? Just quickly mark what are the main directions. How to change the color, right? Main directions lamai A to B ne. North, east, south, west. So what is the direction patio? Southwest. A to B lamai southwest. A to B southwest. B to C, B to C, B to C. Petal එනවා නම් මෙතන ආයි mark කරගන්න පැඩියෝ. B to C, north, east, south, west. No need to be panic. කලබල වෙන්න එපා ලස්සනට කරන්න. North, east, south, west. අන්න ළමයි B to C, B to C පැඩියෝ southeast. B to C ළමයි southeast. Southeast. E to F, E to F, E to F. Ayyo lamai E ya. Look at this one, very easy. E to F, E to F, E to F, south. E to F, south. E to F, south. Right? F to G, F to G. This one, F to G. Right? F to G. Analamai, look at this one. North, south, east, west. F to G. F to G means, Lamai, look at this one. North, neither, east, Anna, F to G. I'm not telling the answer, right? You know the answer, right? Quickly drop your answers through the comment. Quickly drop your answers to the comment. Comment එකක් දාන්න බැරි answer එක. Right? Quickly drop your answers to the comment. Right? Okay there? Yes. Then you can drop your answers to the comment. Right? F to G, what is the direction related to F to G? Right? F to G lamai, what is the direction? Right? Just quickly drop your answers. Yes, look at this one. Quickly drop your answers to the comment. Comment එකක් දාන්න. What is the direction related to F to E? Right? F to E lamai. Now you can see F to G. What is the direction? You need to put the comment. Right. Now lamai, look at this one. Angles patio. Menna. Just consider my arm. බලන්න මගේ arm එක. So what is that one? Acute angle. Right angle. Obtuse angle, straight angle. This one means reflex angle, right? That one means reflex angle, right? Look at this one. Balanna, analamai, right? Acute angle. Acute angle means less than 90 degree. Right angle means 90 degree. More than 90 degree, less than 180. Obtuse angle, right? Obtuse angle, more than 90 degree, less than 180. Obtuse angle, 180 lamai, straight angle. 180 patio, straight angle. So that means straight angle 180. This one means reflex angle, right? So that means reflex angle. Acute angle, right angle, obtuse angle, straight angle, reflex angle. Anna lamai, just quickly move to the next one. P. P, P, P. P lamai, this one. P is, so P means lamai, right? So it is just like, this is the angle. That R means right angle, no? Right angle we can denote it by the square mark. So this one means we can take acute angle. P means acute angle. right? P is an acute angle, right? Acute angle. Yes. Harida. So look at the P, right? So we can take that one as acute angle, right? Okay, so my paper patio, just look at the pattern. They have mentioned square for the 90 degree. Eh? So that means my P is an acute angle, right? P is an acute angle. Q my straight angle. Q is a straight angle. Q is a straight angle. R is a right angle. R is a right angle. R is a right angle. S is a reflex angle. X is a reflex angle. Harine, X is a reflex angle. S is a reflex angle. Reflex angle. Now we can quickly move to the B part, Lamai. Let's quickly move to the B part patio, right? So that's all. B part, right? Look at the B part. Then we can move to the question number 3. Right? Question number 3, Lamai, very easy, right? So look at the B part patio. A mirror hangs on a wall. A mirror hangs on a wall, right? Just consider there is a wall. Harine? Mirror hangs on a wall. There is a mirror just hangs on a wall. I will show you the example video, right? Mama example penna. Menna balanna lamai, look at this one. Right. Look at the plane, right? So this is the plane. That mirror hangs on a wall. Mirror ekak. So this is the plane, right? That plane is known as vertical plane. Now look at the smart screen. This is just a vertical plane. Look at the table surface. Vertical plane. Sorry, horizontal plane. What amaru ideka mataka tiyaganna? Vertical and horizontal. I will tell you the easy method. මම පැටියෝ ලේසි විදියක් කියලා දෙන්නම්. හොඳට අහගන්න. horizontal ළමයි, just consider the letter H. Anna letter H. Consider the letter H. H means horizontal. Horizontal means ළමයි මෙන්න බලන්න. This is the plane. මේ අතර තියෙන්නේ මේ horizontal. ඒකෙන් මතක තියාගන්න. Horizontal means this one. So what is the single meaning? තිරස්තලය. මේ අතර තියෙන්නේ table, ceiling, floor, right? තිරස්තලය. Vertical means patio. Siras. Vertical means siras. මේ අතර තියෙන්නේ. TV, smart screen, doors, walls. Walls ළමයි මේ අතර තියෙනවද? බිත්ති මේ අතර තියෙනවද නෑ නේ? බිත්ති මේ අතර තියෙන්න බෑනවා. ඒතර යන්න බෑ. තේරුණාද? මේ අතර තියෙන්නේ පොළව, pla. This one is wall, right? Look at the wall, right? This is the wall, right? Wall means lamai vertical plane. Look at the table surface. Table surface lamai horizontal. Table surface horizontal. Then okay neda? Anna right. Now lamai, let's quickly move to the next one. A mirror hangs on a wall a mirror hangs on a wall on a vertical or horizontal? Vertical plane. Right? We can write down vertical plane. Top surface on the table lies on, this is the table and the top surface lies on horizontal place. Horizontal plane. Right? Horizontal plane. That means lamai horizontal plane. Very important. Table surface. Then I will show you the table surface lamai me balanna. Look at the table surface, but your table surface means horizontal plane. And so this one means horizontal plane. Ne? Eka monada horizontal plane. Right? Okay. This one also very important lamai. Very common question. Is used to determine whether plane surface is horizontal. What is the tool we can use to measure that plane surface is horizontal or not? What is the tool we can use that plane surface is horizontal or not? Horizontal da නැද්ද කියලා කොහොමද වැඩි බලන්නේ? Horizontal da නැද්ද කියලා කොහොමද බලන්නේ? Right? Spirit level. What is that one? Spirit level. May thin lamai. Using this one, we can measure whether that one is a horizontal or not. Right? Horizontal or not. Right? So what is the name of that tool? Your spirit level. Right? So what is the name of that tool? Spirit level. Right? Or bubble level. Right? Spirit level or bubble level. This is the special instrument designed to indicate whether is horizontal or not. Right? Horizontal or not. Right? අපිට ඕකෙන්ම බලන්නත් පුළුවන් ඉතින් නේද? Right? ඕකෙන්ම බලන්නත් පුළුවන් vertical එකත්. හරිද? එහෙම ඒවත් තියෙනවා දැන්. හරි? So this one means my spirit level is used to whether plane surface is horizontal. Right? Spirit level. Just quickly note it down video ටක් ගාලා ලියා ගන්න. Spirit level. Right? Spirit level is used to determine whether a plane surface is horizontal and right. What is the other one? Plumb. How to check whether that plane surface is vertical or not? Anna lamai dakala thiyena neda. So what is the single meaning? Ne lambe කියලා කියන්නේ මෙන්න මේක lamai. So what is that one පැටියෝ? Plumb. ඔන්න ඔහොම තමයි මයි. So what is that one? Plumb. Right? Vertical and the horizontal, spirit level and the plumb. Right? Spirit level and the plumb. Likewise, we can do. Right? Question number 2, lamai. Just quickly complete this one. This is the third question. Right? So this is the third question. Now we can move to the third question video, right? Look at this one. Now we can move to the third question. Menna lamai third question, that means full question. Sampurna question එකක් තියෙනවා. හරි? Third question, right? Full question is there, right? Index notations, right? So likewise, we need to do regarding the index, right? Let's see how to complete this one. Definitely we can take the highest marks. Before moving to the question, Lamai, I need to remind what are the important points of the indices lesson, right? What are the important points of the indices lesson? Let's quickly move to the whiteboard, Lamai. Let's quickly move to the whiteboard. Right. Balana Padio. 5 to the power 2, that 2 is known as index or power. 5 is the base. How to read that one? 5 to the power 2 or 5 squared, right? So 5 to the power 2 means 5 multiplied by 5. 3 to the power 4 means 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. 3 to the power 4 means 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. 7 to the power 3 means 7 into 7 into 7. 7 into 7 into 7. 7 to the power 3 means 7 into 7 into 7. 8 to the power 2 means 8 into 8. 9 to the power 4 means 9 into 9 into 9 into 9. 9 into 9 into 9 into 9. Right? Analamai 9 to the power 4 means 9 into 9 into 9 into 9. Vede goda hode 8 to the power 2 means 8 into 8. So likewise we can do. Right? Right. Let's quickly move to the next one. Tagalam pedio. 2 into 2 into. Wait a minute, Tomina. Right. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 pedio. So that means Lamai index notation 2 to the power 4. Index notation 2 to the power 4. Expand and find the value. 2 to the power 3 means 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. 3 to the power 2 means 3 multiplied by 3. 2 into 2 into 2 and 3 into 3 lamai 3 to the power 2. 2 into 2 4. 4 into 2 8. 8 into 3 24. 24 into 3. 24 multiplied by 3. 24 multiplied by 3. 3 times 4, 12. Remaining 1, 3 times 2, 6 plus 1, 7. Annalamai 72. Right? 72. Complete the empty boxes. 64 means lamai 2 to the power. So 2 to the power, Pedio. What is the 2 to the power value? Let's quickly move to the 2 to the power. That means we need to continuously divide by 2. Dekem bedagene yanna ona. Harine? 64 divided by 2. Right? Let's see. 64 divided by 2. 32 divided by 2. 32 divided by 2. 32 divided by 2. 1, 2, 12 means 6. 32 divided by 2, 16. 16 divided by 2, 8. 8 divided by 2, 4. 4 divided by 2, 2. 2 divided by 2, 1. That means lamai 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. A can petio 2 multiplied by 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 2. So that means 2 to the power 6. 2 to the power 6. Right? Let's quickly move to the next one petio. That means 2 to the power 6. Harine? 2 to the power 6. Then we need to write down 64 means what is the power of 4? A can is 64, you need to divide by 4. Hatarim bedannon video. 64, you need to divide by 4. That means lamai 4 into 4 into 4, 16. 4 into 4, 16. 64 divided by 4. Neither 16 divided by 4 4 divided by 4 lamai 1. That means 4 into 4 into 4 4 into 4 into 4 by 4 to the power 3. Anna lamai 4 to the power 3. So which squared? Kage squared together. 64 means 8 multiplied by 8. 8 multiplied by 8 means 8 squared. 8 multiplied by 8 means 8 squared. Right? Next one is very easy. Fill in the blanks using the above symbol equal or less than or greater than. 3 and 2. Or next than 3 is greater than 2. 3 is greater than 2. Minus 4 minus 2. Minus 4 minus 2. Can you remember the number line? Mother number line here. Minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0. This is the number line. When you are moving to right side of the number line, that value is increasing. Number line එක දකුණට යද්දි value එක වැඩි වෙනවා. So if you are moving to right side, that value is increasing. If you are moving to left side, ළමයි, that value is decreasing. මේ පැත්තට යද්දි පැටියෝ value එක වැඩි වෙනවා. මේ පැත්තට යද්දි value එක අඩු වෙනවා. Right? So that means -4 and -2. -2 is the larger one. -2 is the larger one. So we need to open that symbol, inequality sign. We need to open that symbol to the greater side. වැඩි පැත්තට කට ඇරෙන්න ඕන. හරිනේ? 5 minus 3, 5 minus 2, 3. 2 plus 1, 3. Then what is the answer? 5 minus 2, 3. 2 plus 1, 3. Then what is the answer? What is the answer? Yes, equal. Right? That one should be equal. Everybody equal, you know. That half and 0, lamai. Half. නිකන් හිතන්න කේක් භාගයක් තියෙනවා. කේක් නෑ. කේක් භාගයක් තියෙනවා, කේක් නෑ ළමයි. What is the සජවන? මොකද්ද වැඩි? Yes, half is greater than 0. Right? Half is greater than 0. Right? Equal and half is greater than 0. Right? Very easy. Now we can quickly move to the question number 4. Karana video. If you have any question, lamai, right? Just drop me the WhatsApp message. If you have any doubts, මොනහරි doubts තියෙනවා නම් තේරෙන්නේ නැත්නම් මට WhatsApp message එකක් දාන්න. හරි? Right, okay. Let's quickly move to the question number 4. Piano video question number 4. Question number 4. I'm quickly moving to the first part. Right? And the question number 5 also there. Select and underline the unit fractions. Unit fractions means numerator equals to 1. Unit fraction means numerator equals to 1. Select and underline the unit fractions. Complete the blanks using the equivalent fraction. Look at the 5 and 20. That means lamai multiply by 4. 5 20. How to convert 5 to 20 multiplied by 4? Then lamai 2 should be multiplied by 4. 8 is the answer. 2 should be multiplied by 4, lamai. 2 times 4, 8 is the answer. Just consider 2 and 6. 2, 6. How to convert 2 to 6, lamai? How to convert 2 to 6, video? How to convert 2 to 6? That means multiply by 3. And lamai, denominator also you need to multiply by 3. That means 5 multiplied by 3. 5 multiplied by 3 means lamai 15. Right? 5 multiplied by 3 means 15. Yes. Right. Okay, lamai. 10, 3 over 10 and 5, 2 over 5. 3 over 10, 2 over 5. Balamai, we need to make equal denominators. How to make equal denominators? Then upper part is known as the numerator. Below part is known as the denominator. උඩ තියෙන එකට අපි කියනවා පැටියෝ numerator, පල්ලෙහා තියෙන අපි කියනවා denominator නේ. So how to convert 5 to 10 lamai? Multiply by 2, multiply by 2. That means lamai 3 over 10, 4 over 10. Anna lamai, 3 parts out of 10, 4 parts out of 10. So what is the larger one? What is the greater one? වැඩි එක නා කවුද? 4 parts or 3 parts? 4 parts. Okay, ne? Right. Question number 4, lamai, right? Then I'm quickly moving to question number 4. I'm going to erase this one, right? Right. 3 over 5 minus 1 over 20. Harine, 3 over 5 minus 1 over 20. That means lamai 3 over 5. How to convert 5 to 20 lamai? How to convert 5 to 20 video? Multiply by 4. This one also multiplied by 4. 3 times 4, 12. 12 over 20 minus 1 over 20. Minus 1 over 20. Analamai 20 is the common denominator. 20 is the common denominator value. That means 12 minus 1. 12 minus 1. Right? What is the answer, Lamai? Just quickly comment your answer. Right? Comment the answer. Right? So what is the answer? 5. 5 we need to convert to 20. How to convert 5 to 20? 5 multiplied by 4. 3 multiplied by 4. 12. 12 over 20. That means what is the answer? Just drop your answers through the comment. Comment your answer. I'm not going to do that one. Right? Okay. Then let's quickly move to the B part. Easy. 5, 6, and 7. Right? Look at the B part, Lamai. Write 7 over 100 as a decimal number. 7 over 100, Lamai. 2 zeros are there. 2 zeros means 1, 2. Moving 2 decimal places to left. Moving 2 decimal places to left, Lamai. 0.07. 0.07. Write these numbers in ascending order. So you need to write down these numbers in ascending order. Right? Ascending order. Yes. Ascending order means smallest to largest. May balan pedio. You can see some numbers. There are 2 decimals. Samahara numbers wala decimals dekak tiyena. So I'm going to write down all the numbers with 2 decimals. Ma okkoma decimal වලින් ලියා ගන්නවා. හරි? 0.70, 2.5, 2.40, right? 2.40, 2.15, 0.35, right? 0.35 lamai. Anna right. Okay. Now look at the ascending order. Ascending order means smallest one. So what is the smallest one? Podi mekkena. Then what is the smallest one, Pedio? 0, 0, medenna. Then look at the first decimal place, 7 and 3. This is the smaller one. Then second one is this one. Then 2.2 point, 2.4, 2.1. How the video ready? 2.4 ready. That means this is the third place. This is the fourth place. So how to write down numbers in ascending order? 0.35. Second one, 0.70. 2.15. 2.40. Right? Okay, Lamaine. Right. May balana patio 18.32, 7.5 and the 0, right? 7.5 and the 0. So we can put 0. All right, look at this one. 2 plus 0, 2. 3 plus 5, 8. 7 plus 8, 15. Remaining 1, 2. That means Lamai 25.82. 25.82. 25.82. Right. Harineda? Yes. Then we can quickly move to the next one. Question number 5, Lamai. The full question and 6 and 7 just only 3 questions more. තව 3යි පැටියෝ තියෙන්නේ. හරි? Just only 3 questions more. Hurry up. Right. Question number 5 lamai. Name these shapes using the knowledge of plane figures. Right? A, you know that, so that is a triangle, right? A means lamai triangle. So what is the plane figure A lamai? That means triangle. B lamai, what is that one? B, trapezium, right? B lamai trapezium. So what is the name of that one lamai? Trapezium. Neither. Yes, trapezium. 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 Write a special feature in figure B. So what is the special feature in figure B, Lamai? One pair of parallel sides. So that means parallel, right? So that means trapezium, right? The parallel lines, right? That means Lamai one pair of parallel lines. So that means one pair of parallel sides. Ek pair ekai පැටියෝ parallel. Neither. So only one pair. Yes. Then move to the next one, Lamai. Right? Write the name of the solid which can be constructed by using this block. Right? Using this block, Lamai. Right? Using this block. What is that one? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 triangular faces are there. There are 4 triangular faces. So what is the name of that figure? What figure? Yes. Regular. So what is the name of the solid shape, Lamai? Regular tetrahedron, right? Regular tetrahedron. Regular tetrahedron. Okay, the regular tetrahedron, right? Regular tetrahedron. Okay, the Lamai hedron. What is the length of its edge, Lamai? So what is the length of its edge? Look at this one. That full side equals to 30. 30. So 30, but you can see half. Bhagyai. 30 divided by 2. What is the length of its edge, Lamai? 15 centimeter. What is the sum of the length of its edges, Lamai? So what is the sum of the length of edges? How many edges are there? Just quickly count the edges, right? Just quickly count down edges. Edges tika ganan karamu. How many edges are there, right? What is the sum of the length of its edges? Edges wala digahanne. So that means, Lamai, this is the figure, right? Onna Lamai, this is the shape. How many edges are there for a regular tetrahedron? How many edges are there, Padio? Just quickly count down with me. How many edges are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 edges. One edge equals to 15 centimeter. 15 times 6. පහළ වේවා 6ක් සෙට් වෙනවානේ. 6 into 5, 30, remaining 3 and 9. So that means, Lamai, 90 centimeter. Right? What is the sum of the length of these edges? 90 centimeter is the sum of its edges. 30, 30, 30, 60. Right. Another one question. If a compound solid has been made by a placing two such equal solids together, find the number of edges, faces, vertices in that compound solid. That means, Lamai, you are going to merge two regular tetrahedron together, right? So that means two regular tetrahedron together, like this, right? 1, 2, and like this, right? two regular tetrahedrons together. Harine? Right. I will show you the image. I will share the picture with you. But you mangadi image share karannan. Right. Now you can see this is the image. Right. Now we need to count down how many faces are there, Lamai. Right. How many faces are there? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. That means how many faces are there? 6 faces. Edges ganan karanna. Edges means darane video. So how many edges are there? 6 faces, right? How many edges are there? Edges kiyada? Me balana pediyo. How many edges are there? Right? Menna, I'm going to place tick marks for the edges. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 edges. 9 edges. And vertices, Lamai, look at this one. Vertices, vertices, vertices. Kong, kong, kong. Mulutika. So how many vertices are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 vertices. Five vertices. Now let's quickly move to the question number 6, Lamai. Right? That one is very easy. Question number 6 and another 2 questions are there, right? How questions degai tine? Let's quickly move to the question number 6. Right. Okay. The number of members of a sport club. Poddakin. The number of members of a sport club attending for a training on each day during 5 days of a week is given in as the following table. Right? In the graph. Monday, lamai, 20. Tuesday, video, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 circles are there. Right, we need to fill that one. If there are 20 members are attending for training on Monday, how many members are represented by circle mark, right? How many students are represented by a circle mark? Lamai, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 circles equals to 20. Then 20 divided by 5. 20 divided by 5. 4 students. So how many students represented by a circle, Lamai? 4 students. Lamai 4 denek pennano. Neither. 4 students. Right? Question number 2, Lamai, complete the table. Anna video, now we can complete the table. Right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That means 5 multiplied by 4, Lamai, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 multiplied by 4, 28. Wednesday, lamai. Me balana pediyo. Now full circle means 4 students. Half circle means 2 students. Quarter circle means 1 student. 3/4 means 3 students. Full circle එකක් කියන්නේ ළමයි 4යි. Half circle එකක් කියන්නේ ළමයි 2යි. Quarter circle කියන්නේ 1 ළමයයි. 3/4 means 3 students. දැන් බලන්න පැටියෝ 4, 8, 12, 16, 16 plus 2, 18. 20, 12 ගමුකෝ 12 easy. 12 means 4, 8, 12 නේ. 4, 8, 12. That's all. Thursday lamai 23. 23 means 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 20 and 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 20, 20 and 3. 23. Very good lamai. Hari. Current video, definitely you can get the highest marks. Just try to complete at least 3 papers. papers 3ක් කරා නම් ඇති හොදේ. Just try to complete at least 3 papers. 3ක් කරලා ගියා නම් ඇති. වැඩේ ගොඩ හරිද? Right, okay. Then you can quickly move to the next one. Takalam video. Show the attendance of Thursday and Friday in the picture graph. Already done. Right? What is the difference between highest and lowest numbers who attended for the practice in a day? Annalamai. Very easy, 2 questions are there. Just try to do that one by yourself. Right? Try them video. What is the difference between highest and the lowest number of members? Highest number 28. Lowest number, aduma number video. Highest number 28. Lowest number 12. 28 minus 12. Then you need to write down the answer. Oya answer ka daganna hode. 28 minus 12. Anna lamai, just try to drop the answer. 28 minus 12. Highest value and the lowest value. Find the ratio between number of members who attended on Monday and Friday. Ratio. Monday, Friday. Monday to Friday. Monday lamai 20. Friday lamai 12. Neda bediyo anna. Monday 20. 20 to 12. 20 to 12. We can simplest. We need to write down that one in the simplest form. Sarlamakaril in simplest form. Anna bediyo simplest nang both sides you can divide by 2. 10 to 6. Again you can divide by 2. I bedanna puluwan. 5 to 3. Anna right. That's all. Simplest form 5 to 3. Ready inne? Right. Yes. Then we can move to the last one lamai. Hurry up. So we can quickly move to the last one. Right, last one lamai. Last question ne? Question number 7. Yes, last one. Right, okay. The school prize giving ceremony will be held on 10th of March 2024 from 11:30 to 2:15 p.m. at the main hall at Alpha Denia College. Write the date of the prize giving in standard form. Write the date of the prize giving in standard form. Right. How to write down the date in standard form, Lamai? How to write down the date in standard form? First, you need to write down the year 2024, March 10. 2024, March 10. 2024, Lamai. March means January, February, March, 3-10. Write the time the event is scheduled to end in 24-hour clock. Write the time the event is scheduled to end. Scheduled to end lamai 2:15 p.m. PM means after 12. After 12 noon. After 12 noon means we need to add 12. Ne? 2 plus 12 lamai 14:15. Find the time allocated for the prize giving ceremony. 11:30 2 p.m. Simple. Then mehemai 11:30. Then mehema gannako padiyo. 2:15 means 14 hour 15 minutes. 11:30 means 11 and 30 minutes. Neither. So we need to subtract. Find the time allocated. 15 minus 30, no, we need to take 1 means patio, they are giving 60, yala denne 60 ne, 60 plus 15, 75, 75 minus 30 lamai, 5, 4, anna lamai 45. 3 minus 11 equals 2, 2. Right? 3 minus 1 equals to 2. That means lamai 2 hours, right? What is the time allocated for prize giving ceremony? 2 hours and 45 minutes. Right? 2 hours and 45 minutes. 2 hours and 45 minutes. Okay, the lamai? 2 hours and 45 minutes. 11:30, 12:30, 1:30 and 45 minutes. 2 hours and 45 minutes. Right, okay. Section number 4, lamai. If a special event is scheduled to start at 11:50, 11:50, okay, 11:50, and it held for 5 minutes and 45 seconds, write the relevant time of completion in 12-hour clock, right? Write the relevant time of completion in 12-hour clock. If a special event is scheduled to start at 11:50 a.m., right, and it held for 5 minutes and 45 seconds, 5 minutes and 45 seconds, right? Yes, 5 minutes and 45 seconds, write the relevant time of completion in 12-hour clocks, right? That means lamai only 5 minutes and 45 seconds, just only 5 minutes and 45 seconds. Write the relevant time of completion in 24-hour, 12-hour clock means 11:50 and 5 minutes. Neither. That means Ramai, in this question, they have not clearly mentioned completion. Write the relevant time of completion in 12-hour clock. 11:50, right? 11:50. Balanapetio, look at this one. Right? 5 minutes and 45 seconds. 11:50, 50 plus 5 minutes. That means 11:50 plus 5 minutes, 55 and 45 seconds. Right? 11:55, 45. Okay. In some books, Lamai, so they have mentioned that no need to mention the seconds. Normally, we are not going to mention that seconds in 12-hour clock. Samaning seconds penna, right? So, but that question is asking 5 minutes and 45 seconds. No, so 50 minutes plus 5 minutes, 55 minutes plus and 45 seconds. Right. Question number B. Menna. Right. There are P number of boys and 20 girls in a grade 6 certain school. 4 boys and n number of girls had red pens. Write algebraic expressions for the following situations. Write algebraic expressions for the following situations. Total number of students in the class. Right? Total number of students in a class. P number of boys plus 20 girls. 4 boys and n number of girls had red pens. Number of girls who didn't have the red pens. That lamai 20 girls are there. There are 20 girls. Out of 20 girls, n number of girls had red pens. N number of girls had red pens. But they're asking, what is the count have not red pen? Didn't have the red pen. So that means lamai n number of students having red pens, number of girls, there are 20 girls. Bisakina, out of that 20, so that means n number of girls having red pens. So 20 minus n of the girls who didn't have the red pens. If P equals to 25, total number of students, analamai substitute Adesha karanna. Adesha karanna. Substitute, right? Adesha karanna. 25 means my total number of students in a class. Instead of P, we can apply 25 plus 20. 25 plus 20 equals to 45. 20 plus 5, 20 equals to 45. If n equals to 7, number of girls who didn't have the red pens, Anna, look at this one. 20 minus n. N equals to 7. So that means 20 minus 7. 20 minus 7 equals to 13. Right? 20 minus 7 equals to 30. That's all, lamai. Vachcharai gana. Harane. Right. Now, Patio, look at the Southern Province paper. Right? Look at the Southern Province paper. Right. Look at this one. Look at the Southern Province paper 2023, 2024. Right? මුළු paper එකම කරලා තියෙනවා. If you have any questions, Patio, please let me know. මොනවා හරි තියෙනවා නම් Patio මගෙන් අහන්න. Thank you very much. Hope this one is very clear to you, right? So thank you very much. See you with the next paper. Then bye bye all.